This is why coaches and players have realized how beneficial it is to maintain an optimum nervous system for not only performance, but also recovery. It's essential to receive chiropractic adjustments to help alleviate pain caused by joint dysfunction or misalignment, which can hinder your performance and training. Chiropractic care will improve flexibility and range of motion, which addresses your joint restrictions, potentially enhancing flexibility and performance, which is crucial for many athletic movements.